Do you want to know how to convert NSF to Mac files? Download NMigrator software to easily convert multiple NSF to Mac files. It is an ultimate solution for converting Lotus Notes NSF to Mac files without any loss of information. Go to Add File option for choose the Lotus Notes file. After that, go to the saved location and choose the Lotus Notes file. Then, click on the Open button. Now, mark the required file and folder for backup. Now, choose the required Lotus Notes file in the software interface. Click on it to get a complete preview in the software window. After that, go to the Convert option. Select All Folder Types option. Then, browse the complete saving list options. The software provides more than 25 saving options to download Lotus Notes emails, MBOX, PDF, etc. Here, we select the EMLX file format to convert Lotus Notes emails. Next, go to the folder-like icon and browse the location on your system to save the output file. Users can also check the file naming options to organize the Lotus Notes emails professionally, such as date, month, years, and more. Browse the options and choose the required one. Now, go to Filter options in the menu. The software allows you to make use of advanced settings for filter saving. Check this option. User can select the filter as per the requirements from date range, from, to, subject, exclude folder, etc. Finally, click on the Next button and start the Lotus Notes emails download process. The software comes with the fastest conversion speed, and the user can analyze the complete conversion report in the software interface. When the process gets completed, the software provides a complete conversion message. Click on the OK button. The trial edition of the software has limitation: convert only first 25 emails per folder. The software automatically opens the destination location. User can check the converted EMLX files. Thanks for watching.